Hi everyone, hope you all are good, doing well. Welcome to our channel Maple Garments and Tailors. So I'm your host and I will teach you how to make a Ukrainian style maxi dress. So let's start the video. I chose this fabric. This is lightweight and perfect color for the summer. This is beautiful color. I liked it very much. And I took this patch. This is matching in color. So I cut the strips from the patch, long strips 2 inches wide, and I attach them with the shirt front side. The shirt maxi is open from the front side, and I attach both of the sides of the shirt. I stitch it with the simple running stitch. I will show you step by step how I make it. You can see I attached it with like this. Now I took a strip, a simple matching fabric strip. I fold it like this and put it like this and sew it. Now let's fold it like this and you can see this is beautiful piping. This is looking great, right? I sew both of the front side, left side and right side in the same way, same process. Same material. So now this is the neck of the maxi and sew it with some gathering stitches like this. Pull the thread and yes, and now I'm making the collar of the shirt. I took this 1.5 inches and I paste it on the collar like this. Now fold it like this and sew it from here, from the corners, both corners. Now turn it inside out and you can see the look of this collar. Now attach the collar with the shirt, and there you go. You can see this is. Now take a 2 inches strip and sew it, fold it like this and sew it from the both sides. Now turn this inside out like this and we use this strip to close the front side of the maxi like this. Put it here and sew it. If you are interested in Ukrainian style maxi dresses, then you can follow my videos. You can watch full video, follow the steps, all the steps one by one, and you will make the Ukrainian maxi. Yes. Now hold both of the front sides like this. Make sure they are equal. Mark it here and mark on the end. Now put them together and sew them from both of the sides. I will start sewing from the bottom. Put the marks together. Make sure they are together and sew them. Put both of the piping lines together carefully and sew them. I'll show you the final look, and this is very beautiful, trust me. So now I'm gonna fold the bottom of the maxi. This is a simple, very simple. Fold it twice like this and sew it with a simple running stitch. So now I'm gonna make the sleeves of the shirt, and I took the sleeve piece and I sew it with the gathering stitch like this. Now I took the buckram piece and I pasted it on the fabric. Now I'm making the sleeve cuff. And I took the patch, a white patch. Let's paste it on the fabric. If you want to learn how to make a sleeve cuff, then you can watch my video. I will attach the link in the description box. Now fold it like this and sew it from the sides. This is ready. Now I will attach it with the sleeve of the maxi. Make sure the both sleeve cuff and the sleeve both are equal. Put them together like this and sew this. There you go. You can see this is perfectly looking beautiful. Now we will sew it from the side. And then we will attach this sleeve with the maxi shirt. Just check the look of the sleeve. You will understand what I'm gonna make. Now attach the sleeve with the shirt shoulder. This was an 1 hour challenge, so I accepted, and yes, I did it. And I'm very happy I did it in a perfect way. Yes, this is perfectly done. You can see the sleeves are ready. And this was the look of my Ukrainian maxi dress. If you like it, please like, share, subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.